In this video, we'll be teaching you how to use a crimp bead in jewelry making. This is a crimp bead. Crimp beads hold wired jewelry to its fasteners. I'm going to be attaching my wire to a jump ring using a crimp bead. So first, what you're going to do is you have your wire for your project and you have your crimp bead and jump ring. You're going to take your wire and you're going to put the crimp bead on there. So you have your crimp bead on your wire. Leave at least 1/2 inch or more of the wire sticking out over here. Place your jump ring. Then you're going to take your wire on the other side and you're going to fold it over your jump ring. You can use your other hand to hold the crimp bead. You're going to fold it over and reinsert that through the crimp bead again. Then you pinch the two wires where they meet and you're going to slide the crimp bead up towards the jump ring. Then you can do this with just your fingers, or you can take your other pliers and hold the jump ring and then take your flat pliers and you're just going to go over the crimp bead and you're going to squeeze really hard, flattening out the crimp bead. So now this little tail of your wire, you'll be covering that up with your beads for your necklace or bracelet. But right there you have your wire connected to a jump ring using a crimp bead.